Ever wondered why your body temperature rises when you're sick? This is what we call a fever. In medical terms, a fever is an increase in body temperature above the normal range, typically around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. It's a common symptom of many illnesses, from the common cold to more severe conditions. But why does this happen? The answer lies in a small part of our brain called the hypothalamus. Acting as our body's thermostat, the hypothalamus plays a crucial role in maintaining our body temperature. When we're unwell, the hypothalamus resets itself to a higher temperature, causing us to feel cold and shiver. This is our body's way of fighting off the illness. So while a fever can make you feel pretty lousy, it's actually a sign that your body is doing its job to keep you healthy. Your body temperature can tell you a lot about your health, but do you know the stages of a fever? Understanding the stages of fever can help you better manage your health when you're feeling under the weather. It all starts with the prodrome stage. This is when you might feel a bit off, perhaps a bit cold, or even start shivering. It's your body's way of signaling that something's not quite right. Next, we move on to the chill phase. Despite its name, this is when your body temperature actually begins to rise, but paradoxically you still feel cold. Your body is gearing up to fight off whatever's causing the fever. Then we transition into the flush stage. Your body temperature is now high, you might feel warm, and your skin may appear flushed. Finally, we reach the defervescent stage. This is when your body temperature begins to return to normal, and you start to feel like yourself again. Now that you know the stages, what happens when fever gets out of control? Imagine a fever that doesn't stop climbing. This is what we call a runaway fever. A fever becomes a runaway when the body's thermostat, located in the hypothalamus, is set so high that the body can no longer cool itself down. It's a positive feedback mechanism that raises the temperature past 102 degrees Fahrenheit or 39 degrees Celsius. This condition isn't just about feeling uncomfortably hot. It's a serious threat to your health. When body temperature continues to rise, it can lead to heat stroke, a severe condition that requires immediate medical attention. Over time, if left unchecked, a runaway fever can wreak havoc on your body, causing organ failure and, in the most severe cases, death. It's crucial to remember that if a fever persists or reaches very high levels, it's time to seek medical help. Don't take this lightly. While runaway fever can be dangerous, there's another syndrome related to fever that can be fatal, especially in children. Have you ever heard of Reye Syndrome? It's a rare and serious condition that occurs in children with flu symptoms or chickenpox who take aspirin. Picture this. Reye Syndrome acts like an unwelcome guest, causing swelling in the liver and brain, often following a seemingly harmless viral infection. This condition is like a wolf in sheep's clothing, lurking in the shadows, linked with the use of a common medication, aspirin, by children. A serious complication of fever, it doesn't just stop at swelling, the ripple effects can be far-reaching, even fatal, underscoring the importance of prompt medical attention for persistent or high fevers. It's a grim reminder that even common conditions like fever can sometimes have unexpected, dangerous twists. But don't let this alarm you. It's all about understanding your body and its responses. Remember, understanding your body and its responses, like fever, can be key to maintaining your health and well-being.